Everforth. With us now is the CEO, Ted Hanson. Ted, good to have you on the set here. You're based outside of Washington, D.C. You got kind of unique view on how the economy is doing. What's the ASGN Ted Hanson view of where we are right now?
So first, Brian, thanks for having me.
Sure.
Excited to be here today and talk about a range of things. Our view of what's going on right now, it's been a very interesting year for our customers. We work with over 70% of the Fortune 500. They've been dealing with various things as it relates to tariffs and concerns about the economy, trying to manage expenses and all the rest of it, while still wrestling with how do I adopt AI. And so, at this point, the tariff is not totally water under the bridge, but I think our clients understand what that is. And now the technology here for agentic AI is available, and customers are wrestling with how do I bring these technologies into my organization and really get to a return on investment.
Okay, so there's three things as I see them. We've got tariffs that are out there. You've got AI, which everyone's kind of, to your point, wrestling with. And then you've also got the government shutdown. Government's a huge part of your business as well. So what are other CEOs saying about how they're doing with one's now over, but I don't need to tell you, Ted, the government shutdown could happen again in a few months.
The government shutdown could happen again.
Is there a long-term implication from that?
Look, I think this administration, and hopefully together with the rest of the politicians, are going to move from we were in shutdown, now in a continuing resolution through the end of January, to a new budget for the fiscal year. With that comes a double-digit increase in appropriation from the big, beautiful bill, which is really pointed at advanced technologies in the Defense Department, Intel, and national security areas. In our government business, the government part of our business, over 70% of our work for the government is in those areas, serving cybersecurity, AI, data, and other advanced technologies. So there's a real possibility here that in the first half of the year that we get past this to a new budget, a much more productive marketplace in the government.
What if we don't?
Well, if we don't, we're going to kind of struggle through some more continuing resolutions. And that doesn't mean everything stops. It just means the government can't pursue fully all the things, all the initiatives that they wanted to do related to the appropriation in the new bill.
You've got a new product called AI Factory, and it's basically designed to, help companies get from A to Z and do what they need to do. Is that going to kill jobs, or is that going to help jobs, or is that just going to shift jobs? Everybody's trying to figure it out right now, Ted.
Yeah.
What's AI going to do to my job? Not me, well, maybe me, but who knows, right? But you understand my point.
Right. Our view is AI is going to enhance productivity and rise up the knowledge worker to do higher value things. So what customers are struggling with right now is the complexity of their own organization. For decades, they've been putting in big systems oriented by department, siloed, data spread all over the place. And now they have AI opportunities, but trying to get to that based on the technical debt that exists in their organization is a struggle. And so what we're helping clients do is simplify that. So the AI Factory is about having ready-made assets, IP, other accelerators to simplify these things for customers, help govern the data and other important things in their organization so they can more readily and rapidly implement AI opportunities.
Is it too many layers of management, or just making management do the right things and make the right decisions?
Well, look, I don't know if it's as much as it is management as it is the technical debt that I mentioned. And so our enterprise customers are going to have to begin to make investments to deal with the technical debt before they pull down the promise of AI and agentic AI.
When is ASGN becoming officially Everforth?
Yeah, we're excited. We announced yesterday that we're going to become Everforth. And Everforth is about leaning forward as a unified business and solving our customers' most critical opportunities by bringing technology together where there's a business problem. Today, we go to market as 7 different businesses inside the public company, serving different target markets. This is about coming together, a $4 billion business, serving all of our enterprise customers with all the solutions we bring to bear.